Hi everyone, this is Jim Leong from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. Today, I'm happy and excited to bring you to a rare, exclusive 4-bedroom sea view unit right here in the Bayshore, located in the highly sought after District 16. This well-maintained home offers a perfect blend of space, convenience and lifestyle. Let's check it out. As we enter the home, we are greeted by a bright and spacious living area with a layout that emphasizes comfort and flow. What truly stands out are the breathtaking sea views from the living room and 3 of the bedrooms, an incredible find in today's market. The living and dining spaces are well defined, with plenty of room for a large sofa set and a full-size dining room. Natural light streams in through large windows, enhancing the airy feel, showcasing the stunning views. The unit has been lovingly maintained by its owners. This living room is the perfect area to unwind, whether it's your morning coffee or an evening glass of wine. It offers panoramic vistas of the sea and the surrounding neighborhood. Moving into the kitchen, it's fully functional and comes with ample storage cabinets and room for your appliances. There's also a yard area, helper's room and bathroom, giving you the added flexibility for household support or storage. The master bedroom offers a tranquil escape with calming sea views and space for king-size bed. The 3 other bedrooms are bright and versatile, ideal as bedrooms, study spaces, or even a walk-in wardrobe. One of the highlights here is the excellent cross ventilations, natural lighting throughout the whole unit. At the Bayshore, residents enjoy a full suite of condo facilities: swimming pools, tennis courts, barbecue pits, gymnasium, clubhouse, playground, and 24-hour security and covered parking. This is a mature and secure condo with a true sense of community. This unit is just a 4 minutes walk to the Bayshore MRT on the Thomson East Coast Line, providing fast access to Marine Parade, Marina Bay, Shenton Way, and Orchard. You can walk via an underground pedestrian path to the East Coast Park, which is ideal for active lifestyles. Nearby conveniences include GP clinics, mini-marts, and eateries in adjacent condos. They are also within reach of East Coast Park, known for its fantastic F&B options, cafes, malls like the Parkway Parade. Schools nearby include Temasek Primary, Temasek Secondary, and Victoria School. This sea-facing 4-bedroom home at the Bayshore offers a rare lifestyle opportunity, whether it's for own stay or investment. Spacious, breezy, and superbly connected. This is East Coast living at its finest. Contact me, Jim Leong, at 9764-1075 to schedule your private viewing today.